Hi there. So, if you're anything like me, you've probably watched more than one lecture online, whether that is from Khan Academy or an Stanford online lecture, any lecture on YouTube, basically. And you've probably realized that taking notes and watching the entire thing from beginning to end, well, it takes some time. So, if you have exams coming up or you have to just make sure that you study quickly, I think Claras is the perfect tool for you. And I just wanted to make a quick video to show you how you can create all this study material and do your revisions before the exam. So I want to show you in less than 5 minutes how it works, and hopefully you'll find it useful. As you can see in front of me right now, I have this lecture from Stanford about career advice in AI, which I think is quite interesting for about anyone out there at the minute. The way it works is quite simple. All you have to do is go to Claras on the Chrome extension on the Chrome Web Store and download it. When you open it for the first time, you're gonna see something like this, and you just simply have to make sure that you also log in. So I'll show you quickly. The URL is already pasted over here. So when you click Analyze with AI, it will take just less than a minute. Usually, also depends on the length of the video. But what it will do is pretty much take the entire transcript of the lecture and create different sections. So a table of content that I can click on to skip straight into very specific sections of the video. In this case, you can see a video like this does not have the sections directly created from the author. So it's kind of hard to figure out what the professor is speaking about in these sections, although you can sort of see on the slides. With this extension, what becomes very easy to do is skipping ahead on any YouTube video, whether that is a lecture, a podcast, or any long YouTube video in general. Notes. This is going to be a lifesaver because without even watching the video, you can generate notes for about any YouTube video out there. And another interesting thing is that while this loads, you can also open new tabs, such as docs, for example, and you're always going to have this sidebar available on the right side. So if you want to take notes or copy paste quotes, it's super valuable. So let's come back here and let's just give it a couple more seconds for it to load. Since it's a 1 hour and 45-minute long video, it takes a minute. But you can see already we got some of the sections over here. This is from the extension directly. This is not native from YouTube. And over here you can hit on any section and you can also see a small breakdown of what that section is about. A really cool feature on the table of contents over here, as you can see, is that it tells you it's in beta mode, but it tries to tell you which part of the video answers the question that the title says the video is about. So if the video is about career advice in AI, it's telling me over here that in this section of the video, it speaks about colleagues matter in success. So it goes about 10 seconds before he starts speaking about that specific section, so you don't have to skip anything and you don't miss anything. And as you can see, it's quite in depth. It goes all the way until the end. And like I mentioned, we also have the summary over here. It's quite in detail as well. You can also tweak the prompt to change how the summary looks. But the cool thing that I was telling you is, you, for example, if you're taking notes, you could go over to Notion or to Google Docs, paste this over there, and start, I don't know, start actually pasting the sections that matter to you. And yeah, this becomes actually super easy to take notes uh, with AI, not having to watch the entire video. Another cool thing is that before I commit to watching the entire 1 hour lecture, I can see especially which parts I might be most interested about, and then I can go ahead and ask an AI to summarize those points. But also, I have here a couple predetermined questions that you can go ahead and ask. What are the key factors driving the current AI job market? So you just go ahead and click on that, and it takes a couple seconds to get back to you with an answer based exactly on everything that was mentioned in the video. So naturally, the longer the lecture is, it will take a little bit longer. But the point is that you're still saving hours every week overall. So over here we have the answer in bullet points. So signal versus noise, continuous learning, blah 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 blah. And naturally, we also had the transcript. So with the transcript, what you can do is download it directly from here or from the first screen, and then give it to an LLM, whether that is ChatGPT or Claude, and it can generate for you like quiz materials, questions, in general, just study content. So I think this is super useful, especially for those in uni right now, watching a lot of content on YouTube. Maybe like on top of the lectures you have, you go over to YouTube to watch more material from different professors. So I think this would be valuable to any of you out there. Hopefully, you found that useful, and let me know how it goes.